Hi, I am Vibhor Chaklor. I basically belong from Kota, Rajasthan, but currently based in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I am a lawyer by profession, and for a brief period of time, I have been experiencing excruciating pain on my back, and it started basically from mid of December till end of December, where when I was sleeping, and when I shifted, it pained, and I realized that something is wrong with my back. But eventually, like normal patients, like we don't take any actions. I did not. I took a painkiller and I moved on. But after a point of time, it became unrealistically hard to ignore the pain. So I went to seek medical advice. I went to a lot of doctors, physicians, and thereafter, after not getting a satisfactory response to what I was looking for and what my pain exactly was, I was suggested to see Dr. Sumit Sinha in Paras Hospital, Gurgaon. And thereafter, when I took an appointment, I came here. I met Dr. Sinha, Dr. V.S. Mehta as well. And after meeting them, they suggested that there might be a possibility of nerve compression, and you need to have an MRI done and a CT, so that it can be more clarified, so that what exactly is the position of your back. After getting the MRI, CT, and the X-rays done as suggested by the doctors, the first diagnosis, the first initial diagnosis that Dr. Sinha gave was that we will have to look into the possibility that because the report shows that it was hemangioma, which is a bit rare, in D8, between D7 and D8 vertebrae of my back. And certainly because it's a rare circumstance, it's aggressive one, it's growing, and it was compressing the softer tissue of my body, of my spine, and therefore it needs surgery to get it removed and get back on with my lifestyle. The basic problem that I was facing when I met Dr. Sinha was that the pain was excruciating, but apart from that, I had heavy numbness on my left leg, along with the right leg as well, but also the tingling sensation, the burning sensation on my lower back and the abdominal area. And it was really painful for me to walk around because I was missing steps, and I couldn't take stairs, I couldn't move fast, and it was paining all throughout, and I couldn't sleep. So after taking the basic diagnosis, he also suggested that we can run another test and we can look into the possibility. But in the first diagnosis itself, he had already given me the answer to the problem that I was having, that you might need a surgery with a alcohol injection plus the spinal fixation, so that your spine can hold your weight to the maximum effort, and there is no possibility of further problems thereafter. Further complications and the benefits of the surgery and everything were explained to me very carefully and understandably, because being a patient and being naive in the field, we don't know anything, and so it was great to understand things that happened. Thereafter, I was admitted in Paras hospitals after taking a prior appointment and everything. I was admitted on 3rd of March 2020, and after all the tests were run about my blood samples and everything were taken, and I was taken into surgery after all due care and precautions. I was taken into surgery on 4th of March 2020. Which was led by again Dr. Sumit Sinha, and that surgery went on, and it was really good that the proper care before and after, pre and post op, were taken absolutely in a manner where I was delighted to be served in a manner where, because I was obviously being a patient, I was losing a bit of confidence about how things were going on. But yes, absolutely brilliantly the staff handled, the nursing staff, the helping staff, all the doctors that were on my round. They were absolutely on their toes to every problem that I faced, and they made an effort to make every bit of the stay easier for me. I understand they also know that it's not easy for a patient to go through the pain. But yes, every effort was made for make it more realizable and practical for me to understand. After the surgery and everything, after my stitches were cut, after my wound and everything looked fine to the doctors, and the wound was pretty okay, and they said that it's good, it's healed up and everything. The stitches were cut after due process, precaution and everything. And after that, I was discharged on 13th or 14th. I'm not pretty sure, 13th or 14th, I guess. Yes, after due care, and thereafter I'm pretty okay. My senses have recovered. The numbness is gone. The sensations and sensory nerves has recovered a lot, and I can walk freely right now without the help of anybody, but only with the help of this belt that I'm wearing. But yes, pretty good response, and I'm very happy with the outcome.
Okay, thank you.